Imagine a computer program that can write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in a way that feels almost human. This is the promise of ChatGPT, an advanced artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT represents a giant leap forward in how we interact with machines. It can hold conversations, generate creative content, and provide information on a wide range of topics. But how does it actually work? Let's take a journey inside this revolutionary technology. At its core, ChatGPT is a language model. It's been trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text. Think of it like a super-powered version of the autocomplete feature on your phone, but instead of just suggesting words, it can generate entire paragraphs or even poems. ChatGPT is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate, learn, and create. From writing assistants to customer service chatbots, the possibilities are truly endless. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the inner workings of ChatGPT, exploring how it learns, generates responses, and what the future holds for this groundbreaking technology. ChatGPT's remarkable abilities stem from its rigorous training process. Imagine feeding a vast library of books, articles, and code to a computer program. That's essentially what happens during ChatGPT's training, where it devours massive amounts of text data. This data is broken down into smaller units called tokens, which can be words, parts of words, or even punctuation marks. Through a process called unsupervised learning, ChatGPT identifies patterns and relationships within this sea of tokens. It learns grammar, syntax, and even different writing styles. Imagine trying to understand a new language by immersing yourself in books and conversations. That's similar to how ChatGPT learns. The key to ChatGPT's learning lies in its neural network architecture, inspired by the interconnected structure of the human brain. This network consists of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes, each processing and passing information to the next. As ChatGPT processes more data, the connections between these nodes are strengthened or weakened, allowing the model to refine its understanding of language. This training process is computationally intensive, requiring vast amounts of data and processing power. But the result is a language model capable of understanding and generating human-like text with astonishing accuracy. Now that we understand how ChatGPT learns, let's explore how it generates responses that are often indistinguishable from human-written text. When you type a question or prompt into ChatGPT, it doesn't simply search for a pre-programmed answer. Instead, it leverages its vast knowledge base and language skills to craft a unique response in real time. The process begins with tokenization, where your input is broken down into individual tokens, just like during the training phase. These tokens are then fed into ChatGPT's neural network, activating specific nodes and pathways based on the patterns learned during training. Here's where things get really interesting. ChatGPT utilizes a mechanism called attention to focus on the most relevant parts of your input and its own internal knowledge base. It's like having a conversation with someone who's really paying attention, remembering key details and referring back to them as the conversation progresses. As ChatGPT generates each token in its response, it considers the preceding tokens, ensuring grammatical correctness and contextual relevance. This iterative process continues until a complete and coherent response is generated, tailored specifically to your input. Section 4, the engine. Under the hood, key components of ChatGPT. To appreciate ChatGPT, we need to understand its key components. At its heart is the transformer architecture, a revolutionary neural network design. Imagine expert translators working together on a complex document. Each specializes in grammar, vocabulary, or cultural nuances. This mirrors the transformer architecture's specialized modules. The encoder processes input into a network-understandable format. The decoder generates the output, token by token. Self-attention mechanisms set the transformer apart. ChatGPT pays attention to different parts of your input. Self-attention allows the model to understand language context. This enables ChatGPT to capture long-range dependencies within text. Section 5, looking ahead, the future of AI and ChatGPT. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of artificial intelligence, it's both exhilarating and a tad daunting to imagine what the future holds for ChatGPT and its AI brethren. ChatGPT and similar models have the potential to revolutionize countless industries, from education and healthcare to entertainment and customer service. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The journey of AI has just begun, and ChatGPT is a shining example of what's possible.